it's me, Zoha, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an egg. So, first, you'll need 1 to 2 eggs, depending on how you like it, a mixer to mix things up, a bowl so you can put it in, and then some oil to get the pan started, some salt for seasoning, pepper for seasoning, a pan, spatula, and a stove. Okay, so now I only want to use 1 egg just to save some eggs. So I'm gonna crack the egg in the bowl, and now that I've cracked it, I'm gonna use the mixer to mix it up a little bit before I put all the seasoning in. And then I will put the salt and the pepper in for the seasoning. And then I'll mix it some more, and then we're good. So now that I'm done mixing, I'm gonna first turn on the stove. I'm gonna put mine on med high to keep it, and then I'll put some oil, kind of just like a drizzle kind of, and then just turn it around a little bit so it's going everywhere. And then you would wait for a minute or so for the oil to heat up, and then, yeah. Okay, now the stove's hot enough, so we can put in the plate. So, I'll put this right there, and then I'll just I like to put it here, and then kind of drizzle it around, kind of, so it's in now. Okay, and then we're gonna turn it different ways so we can get started. And it goes everywhere. And then I wait for I usually wait from a minute to a half to a minute and a half, so each side is really crunchy, because that's how my dad likes it, because I make it for him every day. Oh, and I have a joke. What did the egg say when it got lit? Omelette. Get it? So we'll keep it this way, and yeah. Okay, so now I like to make sure it's I like to check on the other side to make sure it's made kind of, but if it starts breaking, okay, so I'm gonna wait a little longer because my dad likes it really crunchy, so I'm gonna just wait. Put this in almost. No, and then Dad, I'll make your coffee. Now I'm going to turn it, and as you can see, it's crunchy on both sides, but if you don't like it that crunchy, you can do it for less time. And see, it's super caramelized and nice. And I like to move it around a little so it gets the thing. And then on the other side, I'm gonna wait for about 30 seconds because the other side it cooks on the front side, and yeah. And then I'm gonna put this in a plate when I'm done, and yeah. Okay, so now my egg, it looks done. So I'm gonna transfer it from this to my plate. You have to do it very carefully to make sure your egg doesn't break. Okay, and now turn off the stove and just wait for it to cool off before you put it in the sink, or else it's gonna burn. And yeah, so then now I'm done with this. Now let me show you how to decorate it. My dad's coffee. I'm gonna bring it here. It's hot. Okay, so as you can see, it says if you first don't succeed, call Dad. Okay, now my mystery guest, my dad, he will be trying it.
Hi guys.
So for decor, I got a fork, spoon, knife. Okay, and then I put some extra pepper on it, and then I'll put some extra salt too, to make it a little.
It's look delicious, Zoha.
Okay, and then now try it. And you could add bread if you want, but yeah, to make it taste even better, and make a bread and egg sandwich.
Mmm. It's yummy. Good job, Zoha. Oh, with coffee. Bye-bye.
Okay, for credits. This is my big sister, very fashionable. My dad that helped me she teach me how to cook egg and he also recorded and she gave me tips and yeah.